Mastering the art of cooking verbs. Give it a good stir. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning adventure. In this video, we're diving into the flavorful world of cooking verbs, focusing on the phrase, give it a good stir. Understanding these expressions will not only spice up your English but also make you feel more at home in the kitchen. So, let's stir up some learning and get started. The phrase, give it a good stir, is commonly used in cooking and baking contexts. It means to mix the ingredients thoroughly using a spoon, spatula, or any stirring utensil. The word, good, in this phrase emphasizes the need for a thorough and effective mix, ensuring that the ingredients are well combined. 1. Give. In this context, give is a verb that implies action. It means to perform or execute the action of stirring. 2. It. This pronoun refers to the mixture or ingredients that need to be stirred. It could be a batter, a soup, a sauce, or any mixable food item. 3. A good. This qualifier emphasizes the quality and thoroughness of the action. It suggests not just a quick or superficial effort but a vigorous and complete stir. 4. Stir. As a verb, stir means to move a utensil around in a liquid or mixture to combine the ingredients evenly. It's an essential cooking action to prevent ingredients from settling at the bottom or to ensure even cooking. Understanding phrases like, give it a good stir, is crucial for following cooking instructions accurately, whether in written recipes or cooking shows. It ensures you can prepare dishes as intended by the recipe creator, leading to better cooking results. Moreover, it enriches your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in culinary arts or love cooking as a hobby. Next time you're in the kitchen, practice this phrase. Whether you're making a simple salad dressing or a complex stew, remember to give it a good stir. Pay attention to how it affects the texture and taste of your dish. You can also try identifying this phrase in cooking videos or recipes to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson on Give It a Good Stir. We hope this video has added some flavor to your English learning journey and brought you one step closer to becoming fluent, especially in the delicious context of cooking. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you're whipping up something in the kitchen. Happy cooking and happy learning!